Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by clarifying why you need AI, speed, scale, or insight, and that focus directs choices. Once you pick one clear goal, make sure accounts, API keys, billing, and two-factor are ready and secure. Then, select a single tool and one representative dataset to run a first experiment. This avoids paralysis. Start small and measurable so you learn quickly. As you test, take notes on inputs, outputs, costs, and latency. These early steps set a practical baseline to improve from. Once done with a baseline, you build an end-to-end pipeline that ingests data, preprocesses it, runs the model, and evaluates results. Make sure to version code, data, prompts, and model checkpoints so you can roll back and compare. Iterate in small increments. Change one variable, rerun tests, and record metric shifts, latency, accuracy, and cost per call. Also validate with real users where possible, because human feedback reveals gaps automated metrics miss. This disciplined loop drives steady improvement. To finish, deploy the model with monitoring, logging, alerts, and a clear rollback plan. Use canary releases to limit risk. Then optimize for production. Apply caching, batching, or model quantization to reduce latency and cost, and set budget thresholds so surprises are contained. If things go wrong, first inspect data drift, prompt changes, or model version mismatches, because most failures are configuration or input related. One key troubleshooting tip: reproduce the failing request locally with identical input and model settings to pinpoint the fault.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.